Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. This is the Euro USD on a daily time frame. I wanted to give y'all some understanding on what I'm looking for. I did do a video on Euro USD already, but I wanted to give y'all some understanding for the top of the week so y'all can be in position and be prepared, and so y'all can have an understanding of what it is exactly that I'm looking at and why I'm looking at it the way I'm looking at it. This is the dollar. We see that the market gave us the break of structure here. Overall, on the weekly, the market is bullish. The market pulled down into a major correction down to this low. Then the market started to rally from this low, right? We have the break of structure here. The market pushed down. We have an additional break of structure of this major structure break here with these two highs touching to the high. Market broke structure. Okay, so this is what we're looking at. We see that the breaker structure happened, meaning that the market is indicating that it wants to continue to go bullish, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to go down to the 4-hour time frame. We have the 4-hour time frame. And from this low here, right? From this low, we see I have marked up the 5 ways so I can give y'all a visual of what it is that I actually see happening. This is a 5-wave cycle happening here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The market ran into a major supply zone. Then from this zone, the market begins to correct. After every major 5 wave, the market normally gives you a 5-3-5 pattern correction. We see the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have the 5-3-5 correction. This correction alone was about 400 pips. This was about a 400 pip correction, a massive correction, right? This market ended up being 376 pip correction. So the market had came into this strong zone. These two lines represents the high of the break. This is the high of the previous high. This is the break of the previous high. This is the zone of the previous high break, right? So let me show you what I'm looking at. Let me give y'all some understanding of what I'm looking at. So in the 4-hour, we see that the market comes into this zone. And in this zone, the market is coming down, coming up, coming down, coming up, coming down. We see these strong bearish candles coming into the zone. And right within this zone, see, it be the little signals like this that you have to pay attention to, right? Right within the zone, the market gives us a small, brief consolidation before a very strong bullish push out of the zone. This indicates a price shift in the market. You will want to see these type of patterns happening within the zone that you have marked up. These patterns can happen anywhere on the chart, but specifically it means something whenever it happens within the zone that you already have marked up. This is a price shift happening. So what I am expecting to happen in this area, I am expecting the market to fill out this fair value gap and continue to rise. I'm expecting the market to fill out this fair value gap here, fill the gap, and continue to rise. But I want to see price doing a little dancing around a little bit, moving forward, giving me some bullish activity. This would be an entry. This would be an entry because on a daily time frame, on a DXY, the United States dollar, the market is in a strong supply zone and giving me a similar pattern. So we're comparing both of these analysis, the DXY and the Euro USD. The Euro USD is in a buy zone. The DXY is in a sell zone, indicating that these markets are correlating and could potentially move the way they're supposed to move, right? There's a negative correlation happening within the market between the DXY and the Euro USD. One is buying, one is selling. That's a good signal for us, okay? So let's look at the, let me take a look at the 1 hour. I haven't even looked at the 1 hour, right? So for the 1 hour, the market had gave us, let's see. Market gave us this consolidation. This is the 4-hour consolidation. Market pushed up, pushed down, pushed up. The market is beginning to go bullish on the 1 hour. It's beginning to upscale. But you want to see these highs. You want to see some of these highs get broken and then the market pull back in. So if the market breaks some of these highs, breaks the highs, like this high right here specifically, if the market breaks this high and give us a strong pull back down, guys, look for your buy because this is where the money bag is going to be found. Look for your buy. after that. This is the 1 hour time frame. You'll want to see this structured high right here be broken. Why this high and not this high? Because this is the last high that follow the rules after a break of structure. Once the market break in a healthy trend, you'll want to see the market change direction at or around the previous low. So the market broke, and at or around this previous low, the market began to break. But you see in here that the market actually pushes up into this range. So this is not a healthy high. This is a healthy high. So what you want to do is see the market break this healthy high right here. So I will mark this zone as my major high. And if the market breaks this high, catches this liquidity and sells back down, because this is a nice area of liquidity. So what I can see happening is this. Let me tell you what I can see happening. I can see the market, if this market is potentially wanting to sell, if this market is wanting to buy, this is what I'm looking for. Right? This is what I'm looking for. I'm looking for this market to push up. Hold on. Let's change this to a solid so y'all guys can see exactly what I'm looking for. I'm gonna change this to black. I'm gonna change this to 2 so y'all guys can see that. So let's do this over. So what I'm looking for to happen on the euro is I'm looking for this market to break this major high, come into this range here, right? Come into this major resistance area here, right? Push back down, right? And I'm looking for this market to push down around the 618, 786 range. 50 is okay, but I'm looking for specifically the 618.618 or 786 Fibonacci range. Then from this area, I want to be able to see the market give me some type of bullish signal on the lower time frame before this market push back up. And guys, if the market does this, right, this is going to be a strong push. So y'all guys pay attention to what's happening in the market. This is my analysis for Euro USD, and we'll see what happened and how it play out. Y'all stay safe, stay blessed, and stay getting the money. We printing money. We don't earn the money, we print the money. Let's get the bag.